Next control is tab control. Tab control is used when we want to see many pages on the single form. So we take a project and drag a tab control. Now place here. It is also a container and contain many more things. In first page, tab control 1, page 1, page 2, tab control 1, and there is collection. We can add and remove the pages from here. Now change the text. Rich text box. Text box. Menu. And next page, web browser. Sorry. And press OK. We can see that there are 4 pages. In first, we drag. First, click at rich text box, and then here, that is tab page 1. Here we drag a rich text box. And change the text property. This is a rich text box. In text box, click text box and then on page and drag a text box. And write the text property. This is a text box. And now in menu, drag a menu script. And we can write here, this is the menu, and you know that menu is very useful for any software developing, and I think almost each software contain menu file, and this is the sub menu of file. New, open, exist, close, view, in view we type toolbar, menu bar, menu bar, title bar, if we want to show the file menu by pressing Alt F, then write ampersand before F. If we want to create a shortcut of any menu, then we add ampersand with the character that we want to make a shortcut. This is the menu bar. File, browser, this is the menu bar, and write the code button, close this dot close. Design part. Now click on web browser tab and its page and drag a text box and resize it and drag a web browser. Web browser is a control. It's used to see the web pages. And drag a button also. And change its text property. Go. Now double click in button and write the code as web browser 1.url equal to new system dot URI system new system dot URI and HTTP and concatenate with textbox2 dot text. And now run the project. This is the first page that contains each text box. This is the second page that contains only text box. This is the third page that contains menu, and this is the shortcut Alt F. This is the browser, that is fourth page. So we can see that the tab control is used in that situation when we need to show multiple pages on single form. Now type here a site name and press go. At this time there is no internet connection, so this page is open. We have right at close to close the menu, so we close Alt F and press close. Now it is closed. This is the use of tab and menu and web browser.